everyone, welcome to Just Be You. So today I am going to do again a hair oiling video, heavy hair oiling video, the much requested video. So let's get started. And I'm using this Parachute coconut oil. I'm using Parachute coconut oil only today, and from direct from the bottle also. So let's get started. First I'm going to do, as always, I will apply it first on the center generously and then pat it like this. Then just I will rub it like this from my fingers. First from the center. First you have to apply it very nicely to your scalp. So first start from the center. Then I'll take another section and I'll drop it from the bottle like this and then rub. I'll just repeat all over like this only, and I'll keep massaging like this. You have to go like this first when you are trying to apply to the roots of your scalp and your hair. So you have to do like this first. So it will absorb all the oil which you are pouring in it. Now we will do this on this side also. Pour it and rub. Now nicely we will massage in the zigzag motion on over here like this first. After this I will take some oil on my palm and we will rub like this. Rubbing will make it little warm, so we'll rub it like this and then we'll apply it on the back part of our scalp like this. We'll take this oil like this and we'll slowly move in the circular motion. We will go up first and then down, 4 to 5 times up and 4 to 5 times down. So this will actually increase the blood circulation and it will help for you relaxing also, relaxing the muscles, relaxing the veins, and at the same time it will help your hair to grow naturally, healthy, and all that good stuff will happen. So just rub it and go back, and first you have to go in the circular motion up, then we will come down. Okay, like this. Then we will just do the zigzag motion to penetrate that oil which we have to place there. So just go in the zigzag motion. Then we will be taking some more oil, heavy oiling. So oil. So we'll be taking more oil over here like this, and then we'll rub it like so in our palms, and then we will actually rub it over here. Now as we have applied so much oil, so the tangles have been happened to all the hairs. So what you have to do, always comb your hairs when they are tangled with a big tooth white comb. You should always use this such as big tooth, detangle all the hairs like this. First, always what you have to do while detangling, always twist your hairs like this, and then first detangle the roots of your hairs, as this will help to break less your hairs. And then after this you have to go up and tangle the rest of the hairs. Like, always hold your hairs when you remove the knots of the hairs. It will help, the hairs will not break from the roots. So always you have to hold tight while detangling the roots of your hairs like this, so your hairs will not break from the roots of your. And don't worry about the hair fall which happens while you do the heavy oiling, as it is actually good that all the dead hairs are coming out. So while detangling you have to use softer hands. Don't go like this rough way. Be soft, be gentle, as while wet and while the hairs are oily, they break most. So you have to be very soft and gentle while combing them. Now after heavy oiling, I generally prefer to braid my hairs. I don't like to do the bun thing, as I feel when you have done the heavy oiling and if you braid your hairs, the length will also increase of your hairs. So I really like to braid every time when I have done the heavy oiling. I like to do this parting thing, as this will keep away from my face all the bands, and I like to take all my hairs back. Today I'm doing one styling also with the oily hair, as this is also requested. So right now I'm doing only one style which I do when I have oiled my hairs heavily. So this is the way I do it. I'll take all my hair back like this, and from this little smaller tooth I like to take this like this, all hairs. I like to do high pony. High means from the neck I go high, little higher, as this helps the hairs don't come, the oiliness will not come on my neck. So I like to do little higher braid like this. Comb it nicely. Then I like to do the normal Indian braid, 3 partings. I divide my hairs in 3, 2 or 3, and like to do like this and like this, go up and pull. I like to do the tight braid, as if you do the loose braid, the hair will fall out, and if you do the tight braiding, then it will help your hairs to grow the length also. So whenever you have applied the heavy oiling, so you have to braid your hairs little tight than usual. So like to pull like this, then again go up, take from down and go up and pull, go up, down, pull, go up, down, pull. Like this. So keep continuing, pull, braid, pull, braid, pull, braid, pull, braid, pull. And you can take normal rubber and close it. As I'm having a little layer, so some hairs are coming out, so it's okay, it's perfectly fine. So this is the way I have done one more time the heavy oiling video, and this time I'll show the one style also which I generally do when I've done heavy oiling. So this is the way I braid my hairs, and I like to keep it on one side, so it looks, if someone comes anywhere down also, so it's okay for a walk. I'd like to keep this on my one shoulder, so it looks little classier and not the messy thing. And if you have the bangs, then you can keep like this also. Otherwise you can clutch it or twist it your hairs. There are more other things, so I'll hope that I'll show it in another video. Only I'll do the styling video of the oily hairs. I hope this time everyone found this video valuable and helpful also. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, then do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for such more videos. I love you all. Bye.